Naman ito, itry natin sa karaoke itong KMC 500. Connect natin siya. Alright, nag-connect na siya. Sound check. So ito guys, no, itong KMC 500 ng JBL na to, ang effects niya automatic guys, no. So wala siyang pagpipilian effects. So automatic siya guys. Sound check, hello, sound check, mic test. Alright, okay, try natin. Tonight you're mine completely, and you gave your love so sweetly. Bésame mucho. Como se puede. JBL na KMC 500 karaoke microphone. So ito yung speaker, no, yung microphone sa ibabaw. So gaya ng sabi natin, the same thing kagaya sa KMC 600 na yung pickup ng microphone is mahina. Sila malapit, ganyan kalapit. Hello, sound check. Sound check, mic test. Yung effects niya is automatic. Whenever you're using this microphone, automatic yung effects niya. Wala na ibang effects yan. Maliban na lang sa voice changing effects niya, no? So pag gagamitin niyo siya as karaoke, ganun na yung effects niya. So automatic. Sound check, hello, sound check. So meron na siyang effects, no? Alright, okay. Try natin yung voice changer niya. Meron siyang voice changer 1 to 4. Ito yung 1.
Magic Sound 1.
Oh, ito maganda rito is English yung voice prompt. Yung kanina yung KMC 600 China siyang voice changer 1 to 4. Ito yung 1.
Magic Sound 1.
Oh, ito maganda rito is English yung voice prompt. Ito yung number 1 niya. FX voice changer number 1. Sound check, hello, sound check, mic test. Okay, try natin yung pangalawang effects, voice changer number 2.
Magic Sound 2.
Okay. Hello, sound check, mic test. Mic test. Hello, sound check, mic test. So yan yung okay, number 3, try natin.
Magic Sound 2.
Okay. Hello, sound check, mic test, mic test. So mababa yung ano niya, yung voice changer. Sound check, mababa. Number 4, mas mababa.
Magic Sound 4.
Number 4. Sound check, mic test, hello, sound check. So mas mababa siya. So meron siyang voice changer din na KMC 500. Meron siyang radio, no? So i-try natin yung radio.
Baka as emergency na yan. Check yourself.
So yan yung radio effects nitong Bluetooth microphone. Meron siyang radio, FM radio. Okay.
Bills Payment Center at sa Tanay Market Vendors and Community Multipurpose Center. Talagang bayad ka, panalo ka. Kaya
So meron siyang radio function guys, no? So i-try natin yung sound ng speaker, mag-play tayo ng music, okay? Para marinig natin kung okay ba yung sound nitong KMC 500 ng JBL, okay? So ayan yung sound niya, no? Hindi pa malakas yan, itodo natin guys, no? Ayan yung tunog ng speaker niya. So okay na okay din yung kung manonood ka rin lang ng movies o kaya may kinig ka ng music, ito yung sound niya. Alright, okay. Very good, very nice, no? Ayan yung music niya.